legal showdown in Lubbock. It's December 12th, 2025, and these are your headlines. A legal fight is unfolding in Lubbock County after Commissioner Jason Corley says County Judge Curtis Parrish unlawfully removed him from office. So just before Monday's Commissioners Court meeting, Parrish swore in Mark Muir as the new Precinct 2 Commissioner. Corley says sheriff's deputies then forced him to clear out his office and escorted him from the building. Parrish claims Corley automatically resigned when he launched a run for Congress. Well, Corley disputes that, arguing he announced after the statutory deadline and that Texas's resign to run law doesn't apply to candidates seeking federal office. His current term runs through the end of 2026. Corley immediately sued Muir, asking a judge to declare him the lawful officeholder. While a temporary restraining order was denied, a hearing on a temporary injunction is scheduled for December 19th. Corley says the move is politically motivated, pointing to ongoing clashes with Parrish over spending and property taxes. Parrish faces a Republican primary challenger in March. While Texas law now protects unborn children, Texas A&M University and the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board have approved funding for a research project explicitly aimed at mitigating, that's their words, the Supreme Court's Dobbs decision, the one that overturned Roe v. Wade. The project's being led by Dr. Daniel Marthy, an assistant professor at Texas A&M School of Public Health. Records obtained through an open records request show Marthy plans to study whether abortion facility closures harm young women's education and future earnings. The documents were only released after the Attorney General ordered the university to turn them over. Marthy argues Texas's 2021 heartbeat law and earlier abortion restrictions have had a negative impact on young women, relying on broad claims about access to abortion and economic outcomes, claims critics say are based on debunked research. His study will analyze student performance and earnings data alongside abortion clinic locations to measure changes after facilities closed under a 2013 law. The findings are intended to be shared with state policymakers through briefs and academic publications. Texas Right to Life has condemned the project as ideological and a misuse of public resources. Texas A&M did not respond to a request for comment.
Real Texan.
I hope you'll sit down with Texas Scorecard every Sunday as we visit with real Texans who are doing real things to make the Lone Star State shine even brighter. We're going to be talking to activists and politicians, but we're also going to be talking with men and women who are shaping business in Texas and driving for a better culture.
Texas agricultural officials are warning landowners about a destructive foreign pest recently discovered in South Texas that could pose a serious threat to grazing land statewide. The pasture mealybug, first recorded in Australia nearly a century ago, has caused widespread damage to millions of acres overseas. There's currently no labeled pesticide known to eliminate it. Well, in response, the Department of Agriculture, Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are coordinating a rapid response effort. Texas Agriculture Commissioner Sid Miller says the pest could significantly reduce livestock capacity if it spreads across Texas. The mealybug was discovered after landowners reported unusual brown patches and dying grass. What was initially believed to be a different species was later confirmed as the pasture mealybug. The pest has now been identified in 20 counties across South and Southeast Texas. It attacks common grazing grasses by extracting nutrients and injecting toxins that kill the plants. Officials urge producers to watch for yellowing grass, stunted growth, and fuzzy insects on blades or stems, and to report sightings to the Texas Department of Agriculture. For more of today's stories, go to TexasScorecard.com.